Radhe Radhe. We were discussing about Bhagya or fate. We discussed earlier about karma and karmafal. The Bhagya or the fate is the consequences of our past actions that we did in our earlier lives. We ourselves are responsible for our fate because we are the creator of our fate. One question may strike us. We think I am doing good, yet bad things happens to me. Whereas there is someone I know who is doing bad, yet good things happen to him. Why is it so? Why is there injustice in the principle of karma and karmafal? To understand this, let's take an example. Let's assume there are two friends who had been working together in different companies, Mr. A and Mr. B. Mr. A is kind-hearted person who tries to do good for everyone around him. However, Mr. B is wicked person. He tries to take advantage from everyone around him. Mr. A thus is liked by his colleagues. However, people or the colleagues avoid Mr. B. One day, police came and arrested Mr. A. They found that Mr. A was involved in a crime a few years ago. Similarly, a few days later, an organization organized a program to appreciate the philanthropic actions done by Mr. B. He had donated a huge amount to organization a few years back. Now, if someone says Mr. A was a good person and you see bad things happen to him or bad things happen to a good person, then the logic is illogical. The conclusion is wrong. Similarly, if someone says that Mr. B was a bad person and you see good thing is happening to him, good things happened to a bad person, then that is also illogical logic or a bad or a wrong logic. And the conclusion drawn is also wrong. Suppose you use a machine to throw the light balls into the air. Now, if you throw 10 red balls and then 10 blue balls and then 10 green balls up into the air, which ball would fall first? The red ones, right? Now, if your friend came to you at the same time while you were throwing the green balls, he would notice that you were throwing green balls but red balls are falling down. Now you again threw the green balls and again the red balls would fall. This is what happens in the case of karma and karmafal too. We may be doing good deeds in this life, but our actions might be bad in the previous lives. So, because of the bad actions we did in the previous life, though we are doing good actions in this life, yet bad things happen to us. Similarly, someone may be doing bad deeds at the present, but his past actions may be good. So, good things happen to him because of his past actions, though he may be presently doing bad deeds. There is no injustice in the principle of karma and karmafal. It is just that we cannot comprehend it. When something terrible happens to us, we ourselves feel or we ourselves see as the victim. In fact, it is the consequences of our past actions. Now, there is already a few questions from some of the readers or the listeners which I shall explain in my later videos. If you too have some questions, please feel free to ask them. Jai Jai Sri Radhe.